Hello everyone, welcome to my page, welcome to my channel, Baby Solomon, African Delicacy. If you are watching my video for the very first time, please, if you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, please follow my page and also follow our content. Okay, so today in my kitchen, like I said earlier, I will be making scent leaf and water leaf soup. Yes, it's a special soup. I must tell you, this soup is so delicious. You know, there's so many things we can prepare with water leaf. We can prepare afan soup, we can prepare edikaiko, we can prepare bitter leaf soup. Another one I will make maybe this coming week is bitter leaf soup as well with water leaf. So today I'll be making scent leaf and water leaf soup. Here I have my scent leaf, fresh scent leaf. You know, I have a dealer here. I have a vendor that always give me all these fresh Nigerian vegetables from Ipo. So I buy them. I used to buy them in a large quantity. Okay, so yes, currently my afan okazi leaf has finished, so I'm waiting for the one they will bring for me from Nigeria. So now I have to divert to something else that I'll be cooking with water leaf. So I can prepare the edikaiko, I can prepare scent leaf, and I can also prepare bitter leaf soup with water leaf. There's so many soup you can prepare with water leaf soup. So today we are making scent leaf and water leaf. So I have scent leaf here. Yes, this is scent leaf, but it's been in the fridge for some weeks now. Nothing spoiled. Okay, all I need to do is just to cook this scent leaf, to cook it. Okay, you know, it has this strong taste, just like bitter leaf. So I just need to cook it before I can blend it. So guys, for the protein we are using, I'm using cow hair, dry fish, and you know, the normal ingredient that we use for soup, and also red oil. Exactly the same method we use in cooking what is it called, in cooking afan soup. That is the same method we are using in cooking this soup. So let's go to work. Let's get to work. Stay tuned where we prepare this delicious meal. So first I am cooking this leaf, like I said. I've cooked it for the first time. I will still cook it again. Okay, you know one thing about this scent leaf, you can also drink the water, just that the water here is not that good to drink. If I want to drink the water, I have to use bottled water to cook it. So, and also this soup is very medicinal. You know, scent leaf is medicinal. So I will be adding another water to cook it for the last time before I can blend it. While I'm cooking the scent leaf, this is the protein that I'm using, cow head, already cooked. I need to add some chili. You know, we Africans, we like chili, so I'm spicing it up a bit with salt and stock. I will be adding dry fish, any other fish you have, stockfish, dry fish, anything, you can add it together. Then I'm gonna place this on the gas and allow it to cook before I can add the water leaf. Then later, after blending the scent leaf, I can add the scent leaf. How are you? Guys, I look pregnant. I look pregnant. It will look good at me. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Time to blend the scent leaf. sure you filter it very, very well. You drain the water very, 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 very well. Okay? So, this is what you should be getting. Okay, so time to add our scent leaf because let's add the scent leaf. Sorry.